Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my personal savings journey from having absolutely $0 to hitting that $100,000 mark. Grab some popcorn because this story is not only informative, but also filled with a lot of laughs and maybe a few facepalms. Let's dive right in. So there I was, sitting with my empty wallet and a bank account balance that could easily be mistaken for a mistake, $0. I knew I had to make a change. The first step, a deep dive into my spending habits. Spoiler alert, they were terrible. Step one was setting some realistic goals. I started small. My first goal, save $1,000 in 3 months. It sounded simple, but for a chronic spender like me, it was an uphill battle. I embarked on a 30-day no-spend challenge. Trust me, avoiding those online sales was harder than a marathon. But I stuck with it. And guess what? By the end of the month, I had saved $500. Yay me! Next up, I started cutting unnecessary expenses. No more daily lattes, no more takeout, and definitely no more random online shopping sprees. I became the queen of meal prepping and DIY lattes. My bank account was finally starting to grow. To speed things up, I took on some side hustles, freelancing, pet sitting, even selling some old stuff I didn't need anymore. Every little bit helped. Slowly but surely, my savings were growing. With some savings in the bank, I decided to take the plunge into investing. I started small with some beginner-friendly platforms. Seeing my money grow was addictive, in a good way. Remember, investing isn't just for the rich. Anyone can do it with the right tools and a bit of research. I tracked my progress religiously. Seeing those numbers climb was incredibly motivating. Celebrating small wins kept me going. Before I knew it, I hit my first big milestone, $10,000. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I had setbacks, unexpected expenses, moments of weakness, but I learned to get back on track quickly. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Finally, after years of saving, budgeting, side hustling, and investing, I hit that magic number, $100,000. It was a surreal moment, and I couldn't believe how far I'd come. If I can do it, so can you. So that's my journey from zeros to $100,000. It wasn't easy, but it was definitely worth it. Remember, anyone can achieve their financial goals with the right mindset and strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and personal stories. See you in the next video.